So today, guys, we're gonna cut down a 40-foot rod from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. It does have power, it's a power pole, so you guys will see the sequence of events and how we get it done. So today we're gonna take off this power pole, 40 feet down. Me and Chris. I'm actually afraid of heights. The best thing to do is not to look down. Alright guys, so we're gonna take this huge pole 40 feet up high. This is my worker, 40-foot lift. I should have showed you the video. I would try to, I'm never gonna do this again, but I actually tried to take it on my, I have a diesel turbo GMC. I couldn't do it. I was panicking because they needed this done today. So the GC said I had to come here early, which he technically didn't tell me. But either way, we're here and we're gonna take this big guy. It's like a tree. So this guy tie it up, cut it, and that's it. All right, guys, so you guys look at here all the way at the bottom. We tied it up all the way over there. You guys see that? So we're gonna kind of reinforce it here because we also gonna cut this little piece, but we're gonna tie it right there. You guys see that? We're gonna tie it right there, and then we're gonna wrap it around, and we're gonna cut a big piece, and then we're gonna like take it down. So hopefully you guys see what I'm trying to tell you. So a 40-foot run all the way down. You see how that wiggles? Man, that's kind of scary. Man. And I'm afraid of heights. What am I doing here, Chris? So right now we're gonna take away power. It's gonna be a scary part too when you're working in heights. Oh, crap. Let me just take this out. Pulling hard, pulling hard. Oh, oh, that's the yeah, there's some sort of numbering that we use, and that's usually in commercial. So a circuit is 1, circuit is 3. So there's odds and evens. That's a good way of remembering how you wire stuff. Much cleaner. This is what we should have done at the beginning, but that's fine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, seeing us on YouTube. Okay, that's the first thing we're gonna take out. 40 feet high, it's no joke. Are you scared, Chris? What do you mean you're not scared? I'm shaking in my boots. Should we keep these connectors? Things are so super expensive. We have to salvage. Okay, so we are halfway down. So the way we're doing it, we're basically tying it up certain points, because you just want to make sure you're not, this piece shouldn't be falling anymore. So what I'm gonna do, Chris, is basically untie this now. So is this the rope that we cut? We sacrificed the rope, the pulling rope, but it's fine. Anyway, you guys take it down. Let me know. Tight. All right, let's go up a little bit more. All right, now grab it. You know how to grab it. It's not that heavy. So when you grab it, like pull back a little on it.
Pull back?
Yeah, because you don't want the metal to bite the actual bandsaw. That's how bandsaws break. So as I'm cutting, open it. Okay? The green unistrut.
I think I know.
You know, like a mouth opens?
Mm-hmm. I'll bend it with it.
Okay, bend it. There we go. So you don't. So we don't cut it all the way. You see that? Go ahead. Take it down. Take it down and up. Up, down and up. Up and down. See? You see, guys? That's gonna break. Down and up. All right. Let me just get the sawzall and sawzall it out. I should have cut it a little bit more. Do we have the sawzall here or no? Awesome. Just undrill it down and let it drop. All right, let's do it. All right, so that's the way we've been doing it, guys. So sorry I didn't take the first picture. Watch out. See how tight that pole is? It ain't going nowhere. All right, let's go. So now what we're gonna do is take those screws down there, 4 screws, and then just pop it open. All right, ready? Real quick, Chris, like this. This is how you go down. Okay, you want to be OSHA. Ah, perfect. Take that bag down too, the Ouija. Okay, guys, so you see this? All right, put your foot right there. So I'm gonna go back, but your foot is the one because I don't want it to tip like this. Maybe it's not a big deal. Yeah, put your foot right there. Though. I got it. Let it go. You see that? Ah, we got it. It's not that heavy. What am I talking about? Carrying big stuff. Plus I work out. All right, so if you want, Chris, in the meantime, you could take those over there. Take, yeah. Let me see if we could take, you know what? So when we took it down, we took it one by one. We tied a rope and just softly take it down. And I know we could probably do much faster if we probably would have tied it up from the top with the rope, chopped it up here. The whole thing could have came down, but it's a risk because what if it gets stuck up there? A lot of things could go wrong. Just do it controlled, take your time, and that's about it. So we got a minor hiccup, no blanks. We got to go up there, blank it up. So I think this is the best one to do. Man, that has some nice fully 10-foot pipes. What's your pipe on the price in your area? Ours is about $88 for 100 feet. Pretty expensive. Connectors, couplings, everything. Unistruts, a supplier selling it to us for $50 a piece. So definitely we could keep those. All right, so today's mission, we have a hanging wire there. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's 480. So we're gonna put a J-box, secure it. But we need a connector. And gosh, I don't know if that might be 3/4. Yeah. That might be good. All right, so we're good there. We'll use one of these guys, screws that I lost. We're just gonna leave it there hanging, cut it, tape it, put that plug there, just in case. That way it won't be visible to the human eye or somebody comes up there. I don't know why they would be up there messing around with that wire. Hilti, baby. Don't go home without it. I mean, don't go to the job site without it. Milwaukee guy, sorry. I think Milwaukee, everybody has it. Not overrated, but just too many people have it. I'd rather have Hilti, not many people have it. You're not stealing tools, or oh, I forgot. There's a lot of reasons why I have Hilti. It's a good product. So we want to cover this. This pipe was hanging down when we cut it, and we want to secure it. So the way we're gonna do this is just put it in a 1900 box, and that's about it. Tighten it up. Nothing too crazy, and that's about it. Okay. There we go. Now, problem is we don't have a blank. Our supply guy, I'm not gonna blame him. It's probably me. I forgot to switch the bins. Now we carry bins with different types of material to kind of keep us going. Okay, so these are off, but my go-to say is treat it like it's live. Then we take the other one, take that up, and then we take the other one, take that up. And we need some 832s. Well, I tell our supply guy to give us 3-inch, which no need to do 3-inch today, but this is why. It's universal. You always need 2-inch, 3-inch. Okay, so we don't have a blank, guys, but we'll put this guy just to have something in there. Okay, almost done. Because once this lift is gone, we're not getting it back. And I should have showed you the video, guys. It was a hassle. Why is this hard? Is it the way I cut it? The final touches is always the hardest. Really? The final cover plate there. Yeah. Pretty good, my friend. So 2 power poles out, clean. Look down there, pretty scary. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. And next time I'm gonna show you the whole video. It's just that this camera sucks. I'm gonna give you another one with more hours and more footage.